Welcome to the PlugCo experience. Today we will be demonstrating how to use PlugCo brand pipe plugs. We offer a range of pipe plugs which fit up to 144 inches diameter pipelines, such as regular inflatable plugs, pipe plug with bypass connection, conical plugs, joint tester, flexible packer, and more. Today, I would like to talk about our regular inflatable pipe plugs, also known as stopper, sewer stepper, sewer cushion, pipe balloon, pneumatic pipe balloon, pipe bladder, bag sewer cushion, etc. Pipe plugs may be used to stop the flow of fluids, to block pipes, test new pipelines, the maintenance and repair of the existing pipelines. There is an inflation connection used in conjunction with the air hose to inflate the plug. Additionally, eye bolts are used to support, brace pressure under the back pressure, and pull out the plug within the pipeline and should be tied with a chain. Secondly, the bypass connection is used to test pipelines for operational shortcoming, such as leaks and cracks, by filling the line with air or water. It also may be used to redirect, bypass the flow of fluids. This is bypass connection, which is used for filling the water or air into the test area with the help of hose. This is inflation connection used for inflating. This is also bypass connection. The last part of the plug is eye bolt. Now I will introduce our accessories. First one is control device. We have two-type control device. It is used to monitor pressure, regulate pressure by regulator, gauge control pressure during the inflation. The device contains a dual value system to supply red and discharge blue air. The point is that air from supply air source such as compressor. This point to plug by air hose. The red valve is supply valve. The blue valve is discharge valve. This is the regulator. That one is pressure gauge. Next, our air hose is used to inflate the pipe plug after installation. Special note, please be advised, it's recommended that the air hose not be used as a rope. It has two quick disconnects, male and female. The connection of the air hose to the pipe plug is made easily by the using of these disconnects. Other accessories is water hose. It is used to fill the water inside the pipeline. It can be connected easily to pipe test plug, do connection type as you see. Finally, since no job is too big or too small, we also supply electric air generators and hard pumps to assist in pipe plug inflations. Three things is important for selecting the proper pipe plug. Each installation begins with a review of them. Determination of specific pipe plug is a necessity. Pipe plugs are specific fluid which vary among water, sewage, drainage, oil, chemicals, etc. The material of the pipe plug is selected according to this table. Additional specifications may be adjusted as per client requests. Examples included but are not limited to high temperature and high pressure systems, chemical application. Inner diameter of the pipe. Pipe plugs must be smaller than pipe dimensions and inflated size not bigger than stated size on the label. Back pressure. Technicians will determine variations in evaluation such as up and down stream flows. That difference is equal to back pressure. As always, safety is our top priority. We recommend that our customers review the safety manual prior to use of our products. Also follow it and user manual as well. Pre-installation inspection of pipeline to check for foreign substances such as oil, grass, moss, etc., which may damage the plug or decrease the friction force and cause the sliding. Label on the pipe plug contains some technical information, such as size range, maximum allowable inflation pressure, and back pressure. Inspect the pipe plug to check for damages or cracks before and after each use. Control device is attached to the compressor and check. Connection of pressure control device is made to monitor, regulate, and gauge pressure within the pipeline plug. Air hose is attached to the control device. The chain or cable should be attached to hooks on the pipe plug to support, brace pressure under the back pressure, and pull out the plug. And also, some models have one eye bolt and some of them have two eye bolts. Air hose is attached to the plug and be sure that's secure with connection. Pipe plug is inserted completely into the pipeline. Before inflation, position it correctly in there. The shortest allowable distance from beginning if the pipeline to the plug is equal to the pipeline diameter. Please note, do not inflate pipe plug prior to insertion and outside of the pipe. After insertion, open the safety valve to inflate the plug. The pipe plug must be parallel to the center line of the pipeline. Do not enter the danger zone while plug is inflated. And also do not exceed maximum allowable inflation pressure. We should say something like that may cause property damage or death. After completing the leakage test, release the back pressure and deflate the pipe plug prior to pipe plug removal. Do not use the air hose as a chain to pull out of the pipe plug. After using the pipe plug, clean and inspect the pipe plug for damage or cracks. Store pipe plug in a cool, dry space, away from direct sunlight. If you have any question or request, please consult.